Most people are going to spend this summer the exact same way they spent last summer, working a job they don't love, watching other people win with AI online, and telling themselves they will figure it out eventually. And honestly, if that's you, I get it, because there's so much noise out there right now. Everyone you see's got a different answer. Build an AI automation agency, do AI freelancing, build AI chatbots, sell AI generated content, flip prompts. And while that stuff actually works, a lot of it burns you out or you just don't know how to do it, it's too technical. So in this video, I'm gonna cut through all of that and give you a real step-by-step way to make money with AI this summer. We're not talking about theory or hype, it's an actual model that works right now in 2026, and you can even start building that if you've got no audience, no following, and no idea what you would make a course about. My name is Fred. I make money online by selling digital products and online courses, and I've been doing it for a while now. My record is making over $5,000 in cash collected in 48 hours thanks to AI. And that is money in my bank account, not just revenue. And the reason I could do that is because of the model I'm going to walk you through right now. So let's get straight into it. The best way to make money with AI right now is to sell digital products and specifically online courses. The numbers make sense in a way that almost no other business does. I'm not kidding you. When you sell a digital product, you create it once and it sells over and over again. You don't deal with inventory. You don't deal with shipping. You don't need a team. You don't need a physical location. The profit margins are somewhere between 80 and 95%. I mean, think about that for a second. A normal business, a restaurant, a shop, something like that, they're fighting to keep 10 or 15% margin. You're running at 95%. And this is not an exaggeration. This is simply what happens when your product is information and it's delivered digitally online. And here is where AI changes everything. Because the number one objection I hear when I tell people to sell a course is, Fred, I don't have anything to teach. And look, I hear that. But that objection doesn't really hold up anymore. Because with AI, you don't need to be the expert. You can use AI to research a topic in depth, pull together the best information from across the internet, and build a curriculum around it. AI can help you structure the course, write the lessons, create the scripts. You bring the direction, the packaging, and the distribution. AI does the heavy lifting on the content side. And if you really don't want to be on camera, you don't even need to show your face. AI avatar tools like HeyGen and AI voice technology like 11 Labs are at such a point now where you can create a full course with an AI presenter. And it's really high quality and pleasing to watch or listen to. So the barrier that used to exist, needing to build a personal brand for years, needing to be on camera, needing years of expertise, those barriers are basically gone. So now anyone can start the best business ever selling online courses. And if you want to see the exact system I used to do this, I put it all inside a free course on School. It walks you through every step of exactly how I make money with AI so you can copy the model literally for free. And if you want me to personally look at your situation and help you build your own income stream with AI and digital products, you can book a free call with me. Now I've got limited spots for that, I'm gonna be honest. Both links are in the description below. Now, let me show you the part that most people get wrong, because picking the right product is only half of it. Here is where most people mess up. They build a course, or they have a product, and then they use the old funnel. And the old funnel looks something like this. You get some traffic, so you post content or you run some ads, you send people to an opt-in page, they give you their email, phone number, etc. They watch a video sales letter, then they go on a book a call page, and then they get on the call with you and you sell to them if they're a good fit. That funnel works, I mean still to this day, but it's not working the way it used to. And the reason is simple. People have been through that funnel 1,000 times. They know what's coming at every step. The opt-in page, the long VSL, the call with someone trying to close them. The trust is gone before the conversation even starts. And the truth is, when there's no trust, it simply doesn't matter how good your offer is. They're not buying. So what's working right now? The new funnel flips the whole thing. Instead of sending people to an opt-in page, you send them to a free course on a platform like School. Honestly, it is the best platform to do that. You give them real value before asking for anything. You let them actually learn something from you. And by the time they book a call, they already trust you. They've already experienced what it's like to be taught by you. You're not like hard selling them on the call. You're just having a conversation to see if your paid program is a good fit. That is a completely different dynamic, and the conversion difference is real. You're talking to warmer people, more qualified people, people who choose to book the call after already getting something for free from you. They've spent hours watching the course, they trust you, so the close rate goes way up, the calls are easier. The whole experience is better for both sides. So let me make this as concrete as possible. Here's what getting started actually looks like. Step 1, pick a topic. And look, it doesn't need to be something you've mastered for 20 years. It just needs to be something people want to learn and something you can teach clearly. If you're stuck, use AI. Ask it what topics people are paying to learn about right now. Ask it to give you a curriculum outline. Use it to test whether there's demand. AI can help you validate a course idea in one afternoon. Step 2, build the course. You can record it yourself if you want to build a personal brand around your face and voice. You can even clone yourself with AI and have a digital twin. Or you can use an AI avatar or AI voice tool if you'd rather stay off camera. Either way works. What matters is that the content actually helps people. It's something they want. Step 3, set up your free school community. Post the first few lessons in there for free. This is how you build trust at scale before you sell your products. Step 4, drive traffic to the community. That could be through short-form content on Instagram, through paid ads, through YouTube. The source doesn't really matter as much as you getting traffic. The goal is to get people into the free course so they can experience what you teach. And step 5 is to have a call. When someone books a call after going through your free course, the call is easy. You're not convincing them of anything. You're just figuring out if your paid program is the right next step for them. That's it. That's the model. It's not complicated. It's just different from what most people are doing. Look, summer is gonna go like this. It's gonna go really fast. And the people who are gonna come out of it in a completely different position than they started are not the ones who watched the most videos. They're the ones who picked a model and actually built something. This is the model. Sell knowledge as a digital product. Use AI to help you create it, even if you're not an expert. Then you build your trust funnel through a free course hosted on School. And then you have qualification calls with people who already believe in you and want to buy your product before they even talk with you. Do you see the power in that? Now, to show you the full system, I made a completely free course that shows you the whole thing step by step. Everything I just told you and more. And the best part is it's completely free. The link is in the description below, so go join it. And if you're ready to take the next step, you want me to personally help you do this step by step every day so you can have a profitable AI online course business, you can also just book a free call with me through the link in the description. Now, spots are limited because I take these calls personally, so if you're serious, don't wait. This summer could change everything for you, but only if you're willing to do something different.